the practitioner focuses on their breath, observing the natural rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. This helps to center the mind and bring attention to the present moment. By becoming aware of the breath, one can begin to quiet the constant chatter of the mind and find a sense of inner peace. Next, the practice involves a specific thought process. The practitioner is guided to repeat a particular thought or mantra, which serves to align the mind with a higher state of consciousness. This thought process is designed to break the habitual patterns of thinking that often keep us trapped in cycles of stress and anxiety. By consciously choosing a positive and uplifting thought, we can begin to transform our mental landscape. Finally, the practice of Isha Kriya brings awareness to the body. The practitioner is encouraged to feel the sensations within the body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. By bringing awareness to these sensations, we can begin to release physical and emotional blockages, allowing for a greater flow of energy throughout the body. Isha Kriya is accessible to anyone, regardless of age or physical ability. It can be practiced anywhere, at any time, making it a versatile tool for enhancing overall well-being. Whether you're new to meditation or have been practicing for years, Isha Kriya offers a unique approach that can deepen your experience and bring about profound transformation. Through regular practice, Isha Kriya can help to reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and promote a sense of inner calm. It is a powerful technique that can support personal growth and spiritual development, helping you to connect with your true self and realize your full potential. Join us on this journey of self-discovery and experience the transformative power of Isha Kriya. Preparation. Sit in a cross-legged position with an erect spine facing east if possible, with hands on thighs and palms up. Keep your face slightly upturned and focus gently between your eyebrows. To begin your meditation practice, find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. This is crucial as it allows you to fully immerse yourself in the experience without any distractions. Once you have found your spot, sit down in a cross-legged position. If sitting on the floor is uncomfortable, you can use a cushion or a chair, but ensure that your spine remains erect. This posture helps in maintaining alertness and allows the energy to flow freely through your body. Facing east is recommended because it is believed to align you with the Earth's magnetic field, enhancing the meditative experience. However, if this is not possible, simply choose a direction that feels right for you. Place your hands on your thighs with your palms facing upwards. This gesture, known as the Jnana Mudra, symbolizes wisdom and knowledge. It also helps in creating a circuit of energy within your body, promoting a sense of calm and focus. Gently upturn your face as if you are looking towards the sky. This slight elevation of the head can help in opening up your mind and heart to the universe. Now bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows, also known as the Ajna chakra, or the third eye. This point is considered to be the center of intuition and insight. Focusing here can help in deepening your meditation and enhancing your inner awareness. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. With each breath, feel your body relaxing and your mind becoming more centered. Allow any thoughts or distractions to pass by without engaging with them. Your goal is to reach a state of stillness and inner peace where you can connect with your true self. Stage 1. Breathe gently and slowly. With each inhalation, think I'm not the body, and with each exhalation, think I'm not even the mind for 7 to 11 minutes. Stage 2. Utter the sound ah 7 times, exhaling fully each time, with the sound originating from just below the navel. Stage 3. Sit quietly for 5 to 6 minutes with a mild focus between the eyebrows. The practice should last between 12 to 18 minutes and be done twice daily for 48 days or once daily for 90 days. This duration is carefully chosen to ensure that the body and mind can fully absorb the benefits of the practice without feeling overwhelmed. It is a manageable time frame that fits easily into the busiest of schedules, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their lifestyle or commitments. By dedicating this short period each day, you can experience a profound transformation in various aspects of your life. The practice helps improve health by enhancing physical vitality and boosting the immune system. It promotes dynamism, giving you the energy and enthusiasm to tackle daily challenges with a positive mindset. Prosperity is another significant benefit, as the practice fosters a sense of abundance and well-being, attracting positive opportunities and experiences into your life. Moreover, the practice is a valuable tool for managing the demands of modern life. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common issues that can take a toll on both mental and physical health. By incorporating this practice into your daily routine, you can create a sense of calm and balance, reducing stress levels and improving overall well-being. It acts as a mental reset, allowing you to approach each day with clarity and focus. Consistency is key to maximizing the benefits of the practice. It is important to commit to the routine without paying attention to mind or body distractions. This means setting aside dedicated time each day, free from interruptions, to fully engage in the practice. Over time, you will notice a significant improvement in your ability to concentrate and stay present, which will enhance the overall effectiveness of the practice. In addition to the immediate benefits, the practice also has long-term positive effects. Regular practice can lead to a deeper sense of self-awareness and inner peace. It can help you develop a more positive outlook on life, fostering resilience and emotional stability. As you continue to practice, you may find that you are better able to handle life's challenges with grace and ease. To get started, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can practice without distractions. Set a timer for 12 to 18 minutes and commit to this time each day. If you choose to practice twice daily, try to space out the sessions to allow your body and mind to fully integrate the benefits. Remember, the key is consistency and dedication. With regular practice, you will begin to experience the transformative power of this simple yet profound routine. In conclusion, dedicating 12 to 18 minutes twice daily for 48 days or once daily for 90 days to this practice can lead to significant improvements in health, dynamism, prosperity, and overall well-being. It is a valuable tool for managing the demands of modern life, providing a sense of calm and balance amidst the chaos. By committing to this practice and staying consistent, you can unlock its full potential and experience a profound transformation in your life.